on my bed, Flower.
Sitting. What else?
I don't know. Also, there's this closet I can fit in.
Really? Push.
Ah! What? Really, Flower?
Okay, I'll let you out. It won't open.
What?
I don't know what to do.
Try everything. Like, try and get something.
Okay, I'm gonna go find the chainsaw.
Okay.
Lonnie,
Get a chainsaw or something.
I do have one, but it just broke. The closet broke it.
What? Am I gonna be like trapped in here forever?
Don't know. I'm gonna go find the flamethrower. It's gonna take me forever to find the flamethrower. Okay, got a flamethrower. Now time to see if this can get Lonnie out. I'll take the shortcut. Ow! Well, Lonnie, I think you're actually trapped in there.
How am I gonna get out of here?
I've tried a chainsaw, I've tried a flamethrower. The flamethrower literally hit me in the head.
Ooh, you good?
Yeah.
Well, I'm scared now. How am I gonna get out?
I don't know. I'm leaving. Bye.
Flower!
I'm gonna go watch TV. Oh wait, the living room's upstairs. City.
Florine, Shannon, Annie!
Who just said that?
Lonnie did! You left me trapped in here!
And there's nothing we can do.
Can you try and like pick the lock or something?
Do you really think I'm an expert at that stuff? Well, actually, I am, but I'm not gonna do it.
Well, how am I gonna get out of here and get to the show tonight?
What show?
We have a show to go to tonight, right? Remember?
Ah, shoot, I forgot. We have like an hour before. No, wait, no. Now we have 10 minutes.
How am I gonna get out of here in time?
I don't know. Karate kick the door open.
And I promised my friends I would be there.
Just karate kick the door open.
What? Ow.
The force literally knocked me down.
It's impossible. Nothing's gonna get this closet open.
I have one idea. I'm just gonna try and lift it up.
Flower, I don't trust what you're doing.
Lonnie, I hope you're on the balcony right now.
What are you doing?
I'm pushing you off the balcony.
And what is this gonna do?
Hopefully breaks it. Here we go.
Ah! Ow!
Lonnie, it did not break, but you broke the gate.
What? How indestructible I don't see how a knife is gonna help us.
Just you wait. Just gonna. Nope, 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 nope. I am calling back the dealership.
I'm literally trapped in here and I don't know how to get out. I can't kick the door open because I think this closet is indestructible.
Lonnie, I got the phone here.
Hello, servant guy.
Hello.
So, your closets are bad.
What do you mean?
I literally got trapped in the closet.
Oh yeah, that's the safety measure.
You didn't think to tell me this?
The safety measure locks people in it just in case the safety measure thinks that you're a robber.
Well, now I'm trapped in it, and we've tried literally everything to get me out, and nothing's working.
Well, we're sorry, we don't know how to disable it.
So I'm stuck in here for the rest of my life?
Possibly.
No!
Goodbye.
No! I'm going to sue this company!
They literally just hung up.
I'm going to sue this company!
I would definitely sue the company too.
Well, push me back inside. Let's just have some dinner at least.
I don't think we can eat.
Then you could just put like a long straw in the crack of the door, and then you could just like give me some like juice or something.
Hold on. Okay, let me see. Where did I put it? Oh yeah, I remember. Just gonna put it. Lonnie, this might hurt your head a little bit. Ouch. Now, hold on.
Okay.
Okay. Lonnie, I hope you know I have a sledgehammer. Here we go. Hey.
Ow! That didn't help.
Okay, here we go. Last hit. The mechanism just broke.
Good, now you let me out.
No.
Flower?
Goodbye.
Flower? Flower, Shannon, Annie!
Stay out in the cold.
Well, I'm not that cold. I'm inside the closet.
I know that. I can't hear you anymore.
That girl. Jeez.